This next takedown we're going to be going over is the classic O-Goshi. It's a basic hip toss from standing. So from our basic judo grips, okay, we're going to start for this scenario. We're going to start left foot forward, okay, with my right hand grip on the collar. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my right leg, step it to the outside, swing my arm underneath, okay, underneath and reach for the back. I'm going to place my head inside for head control, inside of his head, towards his neck. Now I'm going to take my rear leg, step in front of him, and square my hips up. Okay? Lift and toss. So when I lift, I've got to make sure I keep my feet together and lift my hip up. One more time. Boom. That. And that is O-Goshi takedown.